Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera crashing on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix camera crashing, so click on force stop. After click on force stop, click on OK. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, so it just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps, click on camera app and click on storage, click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.